Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and again, I'm very sorry if you have gone ahead and tried this one on your own and you're coming back to check with me. I apologize, my bad. I typo. This should not be foci, which you probably picked up on when you were graphing. And remember, the foci always have to be on the major axis. If you graph these vertices and then graph these points, they're not on the same plane. And hopefully that was like a red flag. Wait a second, what is going on here? My bad. Not foci, co-vertices. Sorry about that. So co-vertices. Alright, so now if you want to pause the video and work ahead, come back and check with me later, please feel free to do so. But anyway, let's plot my vertices. We'll plot my co-vertices. Let's see what happens here. Alright, 6, negative 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 8 puts me at a vertice right there. And then 6, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 puts me with a vertice right there. Then the co-vertices, 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, negative 2. And 9, negative 2 puts me with co-vertices there and there. Okay, so here we go. I know the vertices are the endpoints of the major axis. So my major axis runs right there, which now tells me that I am oriented horizontally. I'm oriented vertically. My major axis is vertical. And now I need to find my center. Well, the center is going to be the midpoint between those two vertices, right? Between those two vertices. But actually, it's even easier than that. The major axis and the minor axis intersect at what point? Well, the major and the minor axis intersect at the center, right? So all you got to do is just draw that minor axis in there, and the point where they cross, they'll cross perpendicularly at the center of the ellipse. So just find that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 2. So my center is 6 minus 2. All right, so here's what I know. I'm oriented vertically. My center is 6 minus 2. And so I pull it right off the formula sheet. It's going to be y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared is equal to 1. All right, let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. All right, I know my center is at HK, so great. I know H and K. I then need to know A and B. Oh yeah, and remember, right, the A is the distance from the center to the vertex. So this guy right here is A. Since I already graphed it, just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is 6. B is the distance from the center to the co-vertice. So that guy right there, which means B is equal to, count it out, 1, 2, 3. I now know everything. Let's write our equation. Y. Ooh, careful. Y minus a minus 2. Negative, negative becomes a positive. So y plus 2 squared over A is 6, and 6 squared is 36, plus x minus 6, because it's x minus h, all over. B is 3. 3 squared is 9. That's all equal to 1. And cuckoo, cuckoo, there you go. Your equation for the ellipse with the vertices and co-vertices. Drew yourself a quick picture. I can go ahead and sketch a ellipse in there if you want to. Ellipses are really hard to draw. Ah, that's no good. No bueno, but that's decent. You know what? Actually, after tracing that out a couple of times, I'll take that as the ellipse, or at least an oval anyway. probably the same thing. So anyway, there we go. That takes care of those. Guys, hopefully at this point you feel really, really comfortable if I give you a couple pieces of information about the ellipse. Going ahead and graphing the information you're given just to sort of orient yourself with what this ellipse is going to look like. And then just pull what you need off the formula sheet. You may need to use that Pythagorean theorem to solve for one of the variables. But again, you just pull that stuff right off of that formula sheet. It's plug and chug, all right? Don't fat finger something on your calculator. These should go pretty smoothly, at least I hope so. What we'll do on the next page of the notes is go ahead and take a look at those trickier ones that you knew was coming. You had to know it was coming. I'll give you the formula for an ellipse, but it won't be in vertex form, all right? So you're going to have to complete the square to figure out A, H, and K, and then we can go from there. I'm really excited to take a look at these with you, so head on over to the next page of the notes. I'll meet you guys there.